Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to crop to 4 into 5 in Photoshop. Let's begin. Click the crop tool. Don't show this crop tool, right click, convert to smart object and rasterize layer, then show this crop tool. And see this custom size. Click into pixels or inch. I use inch. You can use any option. I use inch. Then 4 into 5. Okay, now we can see this crop 4 into 5. Right now we can see this crop 4 into 5. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.